Good morning, students. Today we'll start with photosynthesis. You have learned about photosynthesis from the lower class. It is a process by which the plants make food by using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll in the chloroplast, and they make sugars or glucose and liberate out water and oxygen as a byproduct. It is basically the use of carbon dioxide, sunlight along with the water which is absorbed by the roots to make glucose and liberating out oxygen as the byproduct and water. The chemical equation is given down. CO2, water along with the light energy liberates out glucose and oxygen. It takes place in all the plants and phototropic autotrophs. Here is the chemical equation for the photosynthesis. You can see 6CO2 plus 6H2O and light energy combines to give out glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The sunlight is basically absorbed by the chlorophyll. Now let us see what is the structure which allows the photosynthesis in plants and in the other autotrophs. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. See it with the arrows. In the leaves, here shows the cross section of the leaves. You can see the chloroplast. You can see in the mesophyll cells, the small organelle called chloroplast are present. You can see it from your book also. The very proper structure of the chloroplast is given. It consists of an outer membrane and an inner membrane, and in between the outer and inner membrane consists of an intermembrane. And this chloroplast is divided into two parts. One is the granum, another one is the stoma. Stoma is the part on which the granum rests. The granum is piled in the form of stacks which are known as the thylakoid. Inside this thylakoid is the small chlorophyll pigments present. You know chlorophyll pigments, these are the green pigments which are responsible for the green color of the leaves and also green stem. Now let us see how plants prepare their action for photosynthesis. Here is the light energy which is absorbed. Light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll and carbon dioxide is taken up by the plants, and what happens? Oxygen is liberated out. Now let us see how this process occurs in the plants. Just now I was dealing with how it occurs in the plants. The chloroplast mainly consists of the stroma. I told the ground part, which is also known as, which is a fluid, and the grana, which is a stack of thylakoid. The small stacks are known as the thylakoids in the chloroplast. This thylakoid contains the chlorophyll and it is again green pigment which captures light for the photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are also known as the sites for photosynthesis. The green leaves have almost all chloroplast and the green color comes from the chlorophyll in the chloroplast. This pigment only absorbs the light energy. The color of light seen is the color not absorbed. Chloroplast absorbs light energy and convert it into the chemical energy. You can see in the diagram. So basically, what is the color that is absorbed by the chloroplast so that it reflects the green color? Let us see. You must be thinking, why do plants appear green? The chloroplast, or basically the chlorophyll, they absorb two wavelengths, that is the red and the blue color, to emit the green color. That's why the transmitted light which we see, or the reflected light which we see, is green in color in plants. Now let us see what are the different types of chlorophyll found in the plants. The various chlorophyll pigments which are mentioned in your book is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, and also xanthophylls. Because of that several pigments, it appears in different colors. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are the mainly one which are found in all the green plants. Carotenoids is responsible for the color of fruits and flowers in the plants. Now let us see the mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is divided into two phases. One is light reaction, another one is dark reaction. Dark reaction and light reaction and dark reaction, we will just see it and go through its points.